In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Tableau dashboards to PowerPoint in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a data analyst, a business professional, or simply someone who wants to share insights more effectively, this skill can be incredibly useful for your next presentation. First, let's get started by launching the Tableau application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure you do so before proceeding. Once the application is up and running, you will need to access your worksheet. This is where your data and visualizations are stored. So go ahead and open the workbook that contains the specific dashboard you want to export. Now that you have your workbook open, you'll need to navigate to the File menu, which is typically located in the top left corner of the screen. Click on File to open a drop-down menu filled with options. What you're looking for here is an option titled Export as PowerPoint. Now, it's important to note that this option will only appear if your version of Tableau supports it. If you don't see it there, you may need to update your software or check its compatibility. Assuming you have access to the Export as PowerPoint feature, click on it. This will prompt you with a new dialog box offering you the chance to customize your presentation a bit. You'll be asked to choose which sheets you would like to include in your presentation. This is particularly helpful if your workbook contains multiple sheets and you only want to focus on particular elements. Carefully select the sheets that best convey the story your data is telling, ensuring you're delivering the most targeted message to your audience. With your sheet selected, the next step is to specify the desired save location and file name for your PowerPoint file. Consider creating a dedicated folder to organize all related presentations, which will make it easier for you to find and keep track of your work. Before you finalize the export, take a moment to review and adjust any additional export options that may be available. Depending on your needs, you might want to tweak the appearance or settings to better suit your presentation's context and format. Once you're satisfied with your choices, it's time for the final step. Click on Save to generate your PowerPoint file. This action will create a PowerPoint presentation that houses all the selected visualizations and dashboards from your Tableau workbook, making it ready for you to present or share with your team. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Tableau dashboard to a PowerPoint presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your data visualization skills. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.